welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's project, I am going to make detachable backdrop stands. I am going to use PVC pipes to make this backdrop stand in two ways. I hope you get some ideas for your next DIY. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is the inspiration for me to come up with new DIYs every week. Now, without any delay, let's get started. For first option, I am using two 10 by 10 wood piece cutouts, 3/4 inch PVC pipes, and 3/4 inch 90-degree connector. Please check video description for product links. I am using a 3-way PVC pipe connector cap that I am going to attach to the wood base. I am using electric drill to connect this cap to the wood base. I have marked the center of this wood base before attaching the cap. All the screws are attached to the cap and the wood base. Backdrop stand base is ready. Now we are going to set up the stand in less than 5 minutes. To connect these two pipes, I am using the 90-degree PVC pipe connector. In less than 5 minutes, our stand is ready. If you feel using a wood base and connector and electric drill is too much work, here is option 2 to create a backdrop stand. Here I am using the wood base that I created in this mandir decor that I created using PVC pipes. The same wood base I am going to repurpose and create a backdrop stand. You need 4x4 or 5x5 inch wood base and a PVC pipe cap, and you attach both of them together using wood glue or E6000 and the wood base will be ready. PVC pipes are heavy and the small base would not hold the weight. Here is a trick. To use this wood base to create the backdrop stand, I am using my favorite tip using painter's tape and hot glue gun to attach this backdrop stand. Wherever you want to create this backdrop stand, first attach some painter's tape on back of this wood base and to the floor. Now add some hot glue and attach the wood base to the painter's tape on the floor. You can use double-sided tape as well to the painter's tape if you have it available at home. Now connect the PVC pipe to the wood base and it will hold strong. I am using 90 degrees connected to connect the stand.